Once we are logging to create a workshop, we go to the orange button and we select workshop. The activity will be created under the user that is logged in the system. So first, as always, we have to select an event. In this case, I'm going to select an event of Campus Party Singapore. Then we select the stage. In this case, is the main stage. And now we have to add a title. The title is recommended to have the hashtag of the event. In this case, I'm going to add the Singapore event. And now I can select the interest area that cover all the subject of this activity. In this case will be creativity, and I can add as many new tags as I want. These tags and these main areas, these primary interest areas, are related to the content, to the kind of content that we are adding here. If I want to add a new one, I can add a new hashtag, a new tag here to the B, the site to the B. Now the teaser, that will be a short description of the activity. In this case, the teaser will be used for index the activity in search engines, and later I can add the description, the long description in this box. This can be edited and add as many formats as needed. There is a gallery of tools here that you can use. The level usually will be beginner, but in case of workshop, if there is needed a special knowledge to go to this workshop, you should select the kind of level that is required. The language is very important to add it because the system select the contents by language. If you have a URL, if you have a video, or the hashtag in this case will be the hashtag of the event. This case will be CPSG1. That is the hashtag that I'm using in the title. The image will be the main image of the event. I have here an example image. And now if I have a speaker or the person who is conducting the workshop, I can add it here. And the guidelines of the workshop. The workshop may have some guidelines, so I add it here. The city, in this case, I will add Singapore. The street number and zip code are not necessary. If you want to add it, it's okay, but it's not necessary. Another description for the place where the workshop is going to take place. In this case, I have to select also the start date. I will select February 28, and I can edit the time when the activity is going to happen, 1 p.m. to, let's say, 2 p.m. If there is a user limit, you can enter the user limit. Usually workshop has a limit of user. However, any number of participants can subscribe to this activity independent to the user limit. This will be only for internal data. Notification, you can select or leave it empty. This will send notification each time the activity change. So anytime you update any kind of content here, it will send a notification. The status, you can select publish or draft. Now that all the fields are filled, I will publish the activity, and he will show me the activity already display. In this case, I can review all the information, and if I want to edit the information, I just can edit by clicking in this button. And I can edit the information as I want.